My child doesn't listen to me. My child is a fussy eater. He is very bad at concentration. These are some of the things which drains out our energy on a regular basis. I can very well understand, because I too was sailing in the same boat sometimes back until I discovered this magical technique, and it changed my life completely. Today I am going to share this technique with you, using which you can overcome any problem, any issues related with your child. This technique is known as sleep therapy. Dear parents, please use it and do tell me in the comment section below if you notice any positive change. This sleep therapy was first discovered by Joanne Golding, who was doing her research on stress and mind management, and she was studying the psychosocial aspect of it. She discovered that a child's mind can be reprogrammed when a child is in sleep state, and this can help to overcome any negative situation. So what happens is, during the sleep, when the child is half asleep, his or her mind is in theta state. It is that state which is akin to the meditative state or the hypnotic state, in which whatever command we will give will subside in their subconscious mind, and that will eventually be shown up outside. How to do this technique, I have shared step-by-step process in the caption below. Do it and let me know. Jnanam Brahma.